Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 7. We are going to start with math. Math page number 5. We will learn how to draw a tree today. We are going to start with a small curve like this. I am going to start from here. A small curve till there. Again a small curve. Again I am going to write in a class word a small curve. Again a small curve. Children, do the same practice in the classwork and also in the homework. What comes between? What comes between? We had learned 1, 2, 3. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. We will write 2 over here. We are going to write 1, 2, 3 over here. Children, do the same practice in the homework also.